MeghalayaPost.news.
Ipulit ke Ri Bhoi kelpentik na shen ke siaman kem ya kisabadon ti panwan bu ya playong kabadon ubom IED ha ka playeng jeng ba nelang kabadon Umsning ya kan helai thu do he pulit ke Ri Bhoi ubi asa tho hadin banak leng bor pulit ka kenhun bom skot gilawan man pilip ya tu bom balon bu ha ka te plau na ka leng he pulit ke Ri Bhoi biasa thu long ka jing tu kit halor kan jon bu yo ne bom IED ya te jaka ka deng prang bat ki kmil ti ba shen ke siaman kem ya ki biru ki bon ti ha ka ne kam
7:30 p.m. we got an information that there is an abandoned bag lying in one of the buildings in the Umsning market. So based on that information, we immediately rushed the team. The bomb disposal squad came from Shillong. The K9 squad also came. And after taking all the precautions as per SOP, we found out that there was an IED, most probably using gelatin as explosives and electric detonators. So it was diffused successfully by our BDDS team, and we have seized all the materials, and investigation is going on. We have a suspect. We are trying to arrest him as quickly as possible. Not yet, but it is highly likely that we'll pick him tonight. It's too early to comment upon that. What was the motive behind doing all this? But we have a suspect. We're trying to pick him up. It can happen anytime soon. So we are on it.
MeghalayaPost.news.